2021, African fintech company Dash made headlines when it announced that it had raised $32 million in venture capital to help its mission of fixing the broken interoperability of wallets across Africa. But in 2023, there were reports that the company was shutting down its operations after laying off 50 to 70% of its workforce. So what happened? How did an African fintech company that raised more than $80 million in funding shut down after only 5 years? Dash was a fintech company that was founded in 2019 with a vision to bridge the gap between mobile money wallets and traditional bank accounts across Africa. Its mission was to facilitate seamless cross-border transactions. The company was founded by Prince Bompong, who had previously co-founded the Y Combinator-backed media company OMG Digital. Dash was operating in 3 African countries, namely Ghana, Nigeria, and Kenya. Prince stated that he wanted Dash to become like Alipay or Paytm and wanted to make the lives of users easier without having them to switch from different providers when moving across Africa. On March 8th, 2022, the company announced that it had raised $32 million in an oversubscribed seed round, which included investments from Global Founders Capital and 4DX Ventures after the funding announcement. More spotlight was placed on the company, and that's when the controversies started on March 15th, 2022. The Bank of Ghana sent a notice to the operators of the fintech to cease operations because it had failed to acquire a license to operate in the country. On February 16th, 2023, Dash announced that it was suspending its CEO effective immediately because of an audit that found some financial improprieties. According to a report by WeTracker, Prince was earning $50,000 in salary as a CEO and had allegedly diverted $8 million to himself. On August 10th, WeTracker published another story that Dash investors were looking to offload the company after the previous scandals. On 4th October 2023, news reports began to circulate that the company was laying off 50% of its staff. During that same week, it was confirmed that the company would be shutting down its operations. It had been reported the company has a shortfall of $25 million, which could not be accounted for after the company's audit. After its shutdown, it is reported that Dash raised almost $86 million in funding in 5 years of its operations.